Unbiased Snow Teeth Whitening Review. Might be a scam. Who knows? The one thing we hate is someone with white teeth reviewing a whitening kit. I mean, come on. What the hell is the point of doing that? Luckily, we won't be doing that today. Instead, we will take a different approach and dive deep into the inner workings and the whole concept of LED whitening to see if it has any value. Pay full attention as it could save you hundreds of dollars. What is the Snow Kit? Like many other kits on the market, this system uses LED blue light and gel serums to help whiten teeth. Sounds pretty simple, right? It comes with the following components: 3 whitening wands, which will last up to 12 months, desensitizing serum if you have any sensitivity issues, an extra strength wand, the most powerful serum produced. It targets deep stains on your teeth, a patented activation light. A unique light-emitting diode supposedly gives it an edge over other LED lights. A shade guide helps you to keep track of your progress. User instructions, straightforward picture instructions to make the whole process easy. A success tips book. This little book of hacks will help you maximize your teeth whitening potential. And lip protectant. We're not sure why this would help with teeth whitening, but hey, who doesn't want extra freebies? Is it dangerous? From our personal view, if these types of products and gel formulations were dangerous, they would have been stopped a long time ago. It's actually the opposite because more and more whitening products are flooding the market. However, we believe the Snow Teeth Whitening Kit is absolutely safe because it has been approved by the FDA and has been tested vigorously by the Harvard Research Company, who are based in Arizona. The company has also won 2 awards, the Consumer Satisfaction Award 2018 and the Science and Innovation Award 2018. This shows there is some substance behind all the fanciness. The secret ingredients. When it comes to the ingredients contained within the whitening serums, the website does not really talk about what components go into them. At first, this might seem a bit shady, but we understand that this formulation has taken them years to perfect, not to mention the millions of dollars spent. We don't blame them for keeping it a secret, but they have stressed on numerous occasions that the products are safe and have not been tested on animals. They're also FDA approved, so there's little to be concerned about. We can, however, talk about the LED light mouth guard which they created. It uses light-emitting diodes to emit light. Blue light is chosen because it has a wavelength of around 470 nanometers and is part of the visible light spectrum, which ranges from 400 to 700 nanometers. The heat from the LED light in the mouth tray accelerates the whitening gel inside the closed system mouthpiece, which results in faster, efficient, and longer-lasting whitening, but without the sensitivity. It's really easy to use the whitening system. That's partly the reason it has become one of the most popular kits on the market. There are 4 steps you need to follow. 1. Brush your teeth first, making sure to floss as well to get all the dirt out of your mouth. This is important. 2. Get one of the serum wands and twist it so the gel comes out. Apply this to all of your teeth. Imagine you're painting your nails. 3. Once the serum has been applied to your teeth, plug the LED light into your device and put the mouthpiece in. Keep the light in for 10 to 30 minutes. The time varies based on your desired whiteness. 4. After whitening for your desired length of time, unplug and remove the light from your mouth. Rinse both the light and your mouth, and voila, you're done. The company says if you do this every day for the first 21 days, you will completely change the complexion of your smile. But according to customer reviews, the product has worked much faster in achieving white teeth. For some, it took only 3 days to see a big change. However, these aren't average results. Does it really work? We have not tested it out ourselves, mainly because we tried another whitening kit recently, but judging by customer reviews, the overwhelming consensus is it works, and it works well. If you go to their website, you will see a lot of A-list celebrities like Floyd Mayweather endorsing it, making it look sexy. But if you truly want to gauge the effectiveness, we suggest you look at real customer reviews. Here is an example of a verified review left on their website. The main thing to take from this particular review is the lack of sensitivity noticed when using the kit. Misty is a chronic sufferer of sensitivity, and if she doesn't notice it that much, then I'm sure you won't either. It does seem a bit suspect that there are no negative reviews left by anyone. No matter how good a product is, there's always that one person who bashes it. But we guess people can't really call it a scam because of the 5-year warranty. Yep, you read that right. The team over at Snow are very confident that you will achieve results, but if for some reason your product gets damaged or the LED light becomes faulty, they will replace it free of charge. Once you buy the whitening kit, make sure to activate your warranty because a lot of people tend to forget. They also offer a 100% results guarantee, not a 100% money back guarantee. They are not allowed to accept returns or issue refunds in cash due to strict regulations. All refunds are issued as store credit. The 100% results guarantee means they can replace your whitening serum if you are unhappy with your whitening results, but you will have to email them at support@trysnow.com. Should you buy it? We hope this Snow Teeth Whitening review has given you an insight into this whitening kit and made you aware that it's a strong contender if you want to brighten your smile. It has won the 2018 Consumer Satisfaction Award and the Science and Innovation Award 2018. A product that wins numerous awards is surely worth looking into because it makes it more trustworthy. But what really sets it apart from other leading whitening kits is the speed and ease at which it gets the job done. You don't have to mold trays into your mouth anymore, which can often be tricky. They currently have a 50% store-wide sale, which means rather than paying $300, which is steep, you will only pay $150. That's a good deal, and we don't know how long it will last, so you need to make a move now rather than later. If you're someone who wants fast whitening results without the hefty price tags associated with professional whitening, then by all means, try it out. However, there are cheaper whitening products out there which, by looking at the reviews, do a good job as well. I'm talking about whitening strips. In fact, we have actually compiled a list of the top 10 most popular whitening strips of 2019 on our blog, which you can read if you're interested. Just scroll down into the description box below and you will see it. That's it for today. Hopefully you understand the Snow Teeth Whitening concept a bit better and appreciate the extra little details we've gone into. If you did, please subscribe, share, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks, and see you next week.